Hi everyone, it's Susannah and Ellie. Ellie and I have been waiting for a sunny day to bring you a video of lateral step-ups for our challenge Step It Up for the Strong Bones group. So I'm Susannah and this is my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, I welcome you, and I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel. I have lots of other videos that are representative of the challenges that we do in our Strong Bones Facebook group. So if you'd like to join me today, go ahead and find something you can step up onto. It could be your stairs. Stairs are good because you would have a railing to hold on to should you need support, balance support. And you can just step up on the first or second step. Perhaps the curb in front of your house, or maybe a box that's really sturdy and isn't going to slide when you step on it, okay? Safety first. So my rock is really sturdy and it's really not too high, so it's working for me. We're going to do 2 rounds together if you'd like to join me. First we'll be stepping up and back like a tap, and we'll do 10 on each side that way, and then we'll move right into stepping up with a knee up, and that's going to use more core strength required and get your heart rate up, so you'll be using your arms as well. So gather up what you need and let's step it up. Okay, so I'm going to lead with my lead leg here and do 10. Start off with really great posture, so head up and back, shoulders relaxed and down, and breastbone up. Let's do this. Oh, and step firmly, okay? You want to vibrate your bones. So for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, I'm pounding a little bit, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then I'll go around so I can lead with the other leg now. Ready? So for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, and now going back to the first side, this time it'll be a knee lift. So you'll want to engage your core muscles to help with that lift. Ready? For 10, and use your arms here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then move it over. Other leg leads for 10, 9, breastbone up, 8, 7, I always lose count, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There it is. Excellent. So thank you so much for joining me for lateral step-ups, fulfilling your challenge, Step It Up, Take the Stairs. In our Facebook group, we are all stepping it up this month, and lateral step-ups is one way to fulfill your daily challenge. If you are not yet a member of the Strong Bones Facebook group, below this video is a place you can go to get a link to request to join, and we would love to have you. Also, if you are curious about how I increased my own bone density, also below the video is a link to join my MailChimp email list, and you'll receive an email that's my story, what I did to increase my bone density through activities. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you next time, either in another challenge video or in the Facebook group. I wish you well. Namaste.